different tabs here. So all of them work together to um, um, be able to do what you want to use the personalized AI for. So the first thing here is you want to set up your AI. You want to train it to write exactly like you. So for instance, now I want to give my own, I want to call it Ola. So that's the name I'm giving this AI. I'm saving that. So then I want to upload. So it allows you to upload your PDF, your Microsoft Word, text documents, Markdown, images. So as long as it's not more than 10 megabytes. So, and then it allows you to also put links to maybe your papers, your publications, and things like that. So here, let me upload some of the papers that yes, I've written in the past. So let me copy the directory first. Yeah. Okay, so I'll just click on this drop file here or click to browse. So once you click on it, it will browse through your local directory. So this is where me I'm going. So I already have some papers here. So all these papers here, I contributed meaningfully to them. So okay, let's say I want to use this one and two to train my AI. So I'll select it and then upload the papers. So I've uploaded it here. You can see. So, and it's saying I have two samples. So you then click on learn my writing. So the writing style used in these two papers is what this AI is going to learn. So I'll just click on it now. So it's analyzing the writing style and everything. So yeah, done. So you can see uh, the so you come back to that setup and train to see your profile. So you can see this is a breakdown on of what this AI learned from those papers that I uploaded. Let's quickly read the tone, impersonal and technical, focusing on document structure rather than expressive language. The vocabulary specialized and technical, of course, is manuscript, so it's expected. So voice were not applicable here because it's not an audio file or a video file. So it says samples are technical data, not expressive text. So you can also see the sentence structure. So it is fragmented, consistent, primarily of metadata and technical specification rather than complete sentence. So you can see a brief summary of what this AI learned here. So the more you train your AI, the better it becomes and the more it writes like you. So I also want to put link. Let me put a DOI link to one of um, uh, a paper that I was involved in. Let me fetch that quickly. Okay. Okay. So I've copied the link, paste it here. Oh, sorry, this is not the. I copied the text. Sorry. Okay. So link. So copy it and then where is it copy? I'm sorry, I'm copying something different. Oh, right. So I just paste it here and then fetch. So there's a problem with this link code does PDF. So maybe I should just keep that now, or I let me search for another paper that will give me like um, a different link. That one is a PDF link, so it's not able to read PDF from that. It needs a link, uh, not PDF. Okay, so I think I got one now. Yeah. Okay, so then I'll paste it here. So let's fetch it. So you can see it has fetched this paper. I also wrote this paper, Effect of Education on Attitude Towards Domestic Violence in Nigeria using propensity score. So look at it. I now have 3 samples. I can still retrain based on the information that I've added. So like I said, the more you train the AI, the better it becomes. So then the other place to go is to now come to this academic profile. We need to set up our academic profile before we start writing or doing any editing. So once you come to the academic profile, so yeah, this is the OSIT. You are expected to put your OSIT link here. So let me fetch mine. So yeah, so this is my own OSIT link. So I'll paste it here. Then let me get my research case too. Uh, oh, my research case link is not here. So let me fetch my Google Scholar then. So, so on those links, I have a lot of my writings there. Google Scholar, ResearchGate, BuzzFeed, and even LinkedIn. Some of them are there. Then also the PubMed author link. You put your URL there. So once you put in everything, so you are going to scan and extract. So once you extract it, it also fill into your uh, it fits into your writing style. Then you come here to retrain. You can see my Google Scholar was extracted. Then I retrain. I now have 4 samples. So the more information or profile you had, the more your AI writes like you. So now I've trained my AI to an extent, and then it's time to write. So when you want to write, the first thing is to create a project. So, well, if you go to the right tab and you don't have an existing project, it will ask you to create first. The other thing is you will come to project here and create a project for yourself. So those are the 2 ways. And then if you have already created, this is where you find the project. So let me just call this. I want to create a project now. Okay, let me say risk factors of hypertension. Let me just use HTN. We have so risk factors of HTN. That's the project I'm working on, and I've created it. So I can then click on it to now start my writing. So what am I writing? Okay, write. Sorry, write a background or use introduction section for my manuscript on risk factors, hypertension. I think I even have something copied here. Let me just. Okay, it's Lassa fever. So I already have a topic. I even want us to. Um, sorry, I want us to work on for systematic review. So yeah, you just type in this, then you select which format are you writing with. Then do you have a length in mind? Maybe 500 word, depending on your goal. If you are writing a manuscript and your target journal has a word count limit, you have to just try to restrict that to it. So let me go ahead and use a APA 7th edition. Then I'll click write. So you can see it's what we have here is saying tell Ola what to write. So Ola is that, remember I created Ola as the AI name. So Ola is now the one doing the writing. So Now, other thing is if you have some samples that you want to maybe work with, or you want to upload some guidelines, so it's going to, so look at it. It has written the, so if you read through this write-up and you read any of my paper, you see a kind of consistent structure. That's the way I write. So hypertension or elevated blood pressure represents a paramount global public health challenge and is firmly established as the leading modifiable risk factors for cardiovascular morbidity. Dr. Abayomi, I'm sure you have started seeing your work here. So I think Dr. Abayomi is part of some of those papers I uploaded. So we wrote some papers together. So of course, because manuscript is not something one person will just write. But then if you contribute meaningfully to that manuscript, your writing style still gets included in the AI training. So because Dr. Abayomi is part of this, I'm sure you would also see some of his writing style in this write-up. So that's um, how it work, how the personalized AI work. You train it how to what to write, and then it's going to follow that style for you, so that when you are writing with this AI, it will still be that as if you are the one doing the writing by yourself, doing the thinking, and then you know doing the write-up. So this is how this one works. The other tab here is, for instance, you have a document, you have an existing document that um, um, you want to edit, you go there and upload it. And sorry, and after everything, you can just go ahead and export it to Microsoft Word for maybe further, maybe you want to just download it and add up your results and discussion, then you continue with your work. So it has been exported. So you come here now. So this is the document. So once you open it, everything you have here is there. And if what you want to do is to do copy and paste, you want to go and paste it in your Microsoft Word, you can just tap on copy, then you are done. So yeah, that's how it works. And like I said, the edit section, I think I mentioned it earlier. The edit section is if you have an existing document you have written, you just want some modification or anything, you just come here. Remember, Ola is still doing the writing here. So you come here, you upload the document, or you can paste it in this box here. Then you now write your query. What do I want to do then? This is where the instruction to edit will be pasted. Then you just apply, and it's going to give you the uh, results based on the edits you are working on. So please, that will be the end of the AI, personalized AI module. I'm happy to answer any question. Thank you.